Hey Sweetsters, thanks for tuning in today. We're going to do an unboxing of the Cricut EasyPress 2. So here's what the box looks like. Definitely, if you haven't already, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notifications for upcoming videos. So with the box here, we have information like set your temperature and time, apply heat and pressure, and basically you can make really cool projects with this. For vinyl, of course. Now, with this, you have a lot of different functions on here as well. I really enjoy that it gives you a lot of information just on the package itself, so you know what you're getting before you even get it and unbox it yourself and start using it. Now, based off the information, it shows that making these great projects that you see here, even though they look very professional, they're easy to make for someone who's a beginner, which is great because that's me. Alright, so once I've unboxed everything and kind of flash forward to it, it comes with this Let's Do This package as well as a bottom rack to hold the heat press when it's hot. The heat press itself comes in this burlap type of bag, and there's actually a project inside on how to decorate the bag, so we'll get to that in a little bit. It comes wrapped really tightly, so let's go ahead and open that up. And it's pretty handheld. It's small enough to do small projects, and that's pretty cool because that's where I'm going to start. I'm not going to do anything huge, but you have your power button, your Cricut button, temperature, you can turn it up and down. There's a timer on there as well. And with this burlap bag, this is going to be the first project that I'll complete. And I'll actually do a tutorial on this. It gives you a little project, which we'll get into as well for it, but I'm going to do something probably a little bit different. Let's go ahead and open this packet. Alright, so this first comes with a register. So yeah, don't register my project because it's going to already be taken by the time this video gets popped up. But going through the pamphlet kind of gives you some ideas of what you can do, how to do it. It's pretty self-explanatory itself. Now this mat here, I'm probably going to invest in that. But with the mat, I was told that from looking at other YouTube channels and things like that, that you can actually use a towel, which is great. But there's different sizes. I have this small one, the 6x7, and that's perfect for like onesies, t-shirts, things like that. Then they have two other sizes that are for bigger projects, and they have 3 different size mats. And that's pretty much it that you have in here. It gives you directions on how to do your first project, which again, we're going to go over that in another tutorial, and it's going to be a little bit different. This one here actually comes with the cute little Cricut guy. Look at that. Isn't it cute? And it's glittery. I really like that. Alright, and it also comes with some safety instructions. Definitely be careful when messing with this. Everything is hot, even the fabric that you pressed. But thanks guys for tuning in. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell button and come back for some more videos. Thanks Sweetsters. Love ya. Bye.